Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can add shaders in Minecraft TLauncher. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Optifine. Open the website and you will be redirected to this type of page, so download it. Then install it by clicking on Install. After that, open your browser again and search for Minecraft shaders in a new tab. There will be various options to choose from, but I will select the CurseForge website and open it. Download any type of mod that you like, and after it is downloaded completely, open its folder. Copy the shader file. Open Run and search for %appdata%. Then access Minecraft and paste it in the shaders folder. Now open Minecraft, go to Settings, Video Settings and access Shaders. Choose the shader you just downloaded. And that's how you can add shaders in Minecraft TLauncher. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.